For true, I don't know we are who. Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. This one is called No Man for My Daughter. But here are people, something I really want to know. You see, the last move of my job, believe me, all heap of work in there. So you see, if for whatever reason you don't watch it, or you watch it already, just go and go watch it again. Or if you not watch it yet. You see me, I really put a lot of work in the movie, the people. That one is the price of power. So I'm really would have glad if you can check out it. You see me? Just give me an opinion on the said way. But enough of that. Out to the old, in with the new movie. So like, comment, subscribe, the right thing. Active, true.
There. You good? Yeah. Oh, yeah, the pan sit down and look so girl. So, what else I do? Sit down and look out of space. So. Come in. My mother don't like me have phone. My mother take my phone from me. I have the phone I use right now. I'm just stressed out. So what kind of cage life then, girl? You start call cage life. I'm like up in a cage. But you're not have no phone. You not have no. You can't. Anyways, girl, you know say me have one man. You find man? Boy, nice. Tell me about him. I said, well, I can't go to villa. Treat me nice, girl. A bird feed me on one bag of
So your mother make you go villa with man?
Yes, girl.
Oh, I can't go to no villa. I can't go no villa, girl. I'm happy for
I
you,
am
though.
big 19-year-old. What you talk about?
My mother no make me go no villa with no man, me dear. I'm sorry.
What
But
you
not
say
work
me
out.
ears?
Yes, I don't even have a boyfriend.
I lie you tell.
Me not no man. Where me get man from?
You. You're a big neck girl.
Me not have no man.
You're not, girl. You not live no life.
You me not live no life.
I
Me I live
have
life.
no man.
No, my mother say me not ready for no man yet. Mother say I'm reach 24.
What?
Mother say I'm reach 24. I'll give me one man.
I can't believe this.
My mother pop my neck, you know.
Girl.
Cause when me I get beaten, then you're not up here with me.
No worry yourself. You have
So.
one nice boy here, girl. No worry yourself.
You go find man, girl.
If me find one nice man for myself, you feel like I said me can't find one nice for you or even nicer than my one for you. Girl, just relax.
But come here, go home, and my mother not go know.
How? Girl, you don't know if hide and sneak and do things.
No, I'm not hide and sneak.
Oh, Jesus Christ, come like this, you go hard for me, God know.
How it a go hard?
I mean, how it go hard? Girl, you don't know if you hide and do nothing. Jesus Christ, me have to teach you from scratch.
Where the man dey? Don't show me the man. Where's the man?
Where the man there? Alright, you know, me I go link him. Just give me 5 minutes, me I go link him. So when I go link him, me I go call you, girl.
Power. You need to say mother take me phone. Where you go call me, pan?
Me I go call up on your mother phone. I tell her say emergency. Me and you need to talk, girl. Me I go look for the man and come. Just give me 5 minutes. Remember when me calling her?
Yes, stop beat up my body.
Right.
5
I
minutes.
look for the man.
Okay.
Me still happen.
I go on, you good?
Yeah.
A long time I don't see you already there.
Yeah, me there about the place.
How which
Yeah,
time
like
blow
a
you?
friend me go there.
How which time blow you come over here?
Well, I look me ask me I come look for your car from when you know see a friend when you don't see me so me I come check you.
Why if I left for about 3 years ago I see you, I don't see you back again. So what go on?
Me so me can't come check for you and see if you're good and see.
So how you know say me there and me work?
Me not sure, me just come and me say me I check to see if you're around here.
You know say me work, you know. So I don't know how you pull up on me yard and you don't call me.
So me have to call you first before me come?
You have to call me because suppose me never there. Look how far you live.
Me would have go here and come back. You know me best.
So where you come? Where you come a big now? Because every time I come on me yard they big.
So
Either
me have to
salt, sugar, toothpaste, something they big. Where they big?
You know see you make things look bad though I have to stop. Me not come beg nothing, me just come check if you're good, brother.
So if you don't get no call about me, if you don't hear nothing about me, I must go.
But me not hear from you, so me must come check to see if you're alright for truth. Give me that one, son.
But news fly fast.
Anyways.
Cut
You
long
don't
story
have
short.
You don't have no nice, decent friend. You don't know, so me have my girl best friend and her mother move away like she don't want she have no man. You know, so girl never get a man from she born and she 19.
So what do me? Me no nice and decent. I'm pull up my trousers.
You know, I never ask you that. Me say if you not have no friend, no nice, decent friend. Me not want any friend them for go break her heart now, do you know?
Yeah, me have nice, decent friends. See me?
Tell me what wrong with you?
Best thing what wrong with you? You have woman and give it to other man and me your best friend. How you do that maths there? How you do that maths there? And me, you fear bring a girl them too.
What you mean by it? Tell me if me did want you and the girl, would have set up you and the girl. Just chill, brother. I make me know if you have no friend.
A
beside
best
me. What you
relationship
mean,
here where we have that banner where we have where we call this thing best. You know so never quit.
For what reason?
Can you have girl and you come and call link me and ask me about if me not a nice decent friend? What? How me look?
You don't look no weird, so what? If me, suppose, no, alright then.
Me not nice, me
Alright,
not decent.
alright, they can't get a try. Alright. Don't get them off my head.
No, me not name off
No,
the
name
head.
off me.
That is a word where you're not supposed to fear use palm about name off head. What kind of name off head business are they
So
from?
I chase you just because I can't link you up on a mission and you, no, brother.
Girl, where you have good and not look good there now. She good
No,
in
no,
shape.
don't say that.
She
Don't
good
say
in
that.
shape,
Hey,
and
no
a
bother
cocky.
with that. No say that.
Well, me have to say that car bestie. Normally you tell me say me look handsome. Every girl out there with me. But now you have a girl who want a man. And you don't want the girl who want a man where you have. You want to give that the girl to one other man, but you don't want to give that the girl to me. Remember say you have your man, you know.
Alright,
I
so let it
I
be.
me cannot look you call me your bestie.
Me say, okay, so let it be. Alright then, me I go work with the Flozine. Me I go call her and tell her to link up.
About what time?
Me I go, me not have your number, brother. You know say you not work.
So how you know say me same number me I use? Remember say me change number often, you know.
So you change your number now?
What me number start with?
Me say if you change your number.
What me number
Me
start
say
with?
if you change your number now.
You stay full of too much attitude. Now go on. I make sure say the girl where you bring come here, you know. A girl where gonna be my type, you know, not your type, not my friend them type, you know, my type.
Yes, sister, me never did care no woman for you. Me ask her if you have no friend and know you want to call the job and know you they complain.
Me have a friend.
Alright, Timmy. Make it stay. Here what? Me can't, brother, right now, me just fed up.
Oh, fed up.
Look now, me I go link you girl and me want you wait for me down a bamboo tree. What me say me want you wait for me?
Bamboo tree.
And I right now, cause as me left you saw around that girl me they go.
So go on, me there behind
Don't
you.
say nothing to me, man. Say nothing to me.
Easy to get upset. You don't know what to do this a best friend. Ah. Go on, you shape like a dragon buckle.
Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Kayla there.
Oh, Vicky.
Yeah.
Yes, Kayla there, but you outside.
You know, say as some application letter me do want you follow me go print in a down the road.
Application letter. You know what say Kayla? Me kinda take away Kayla phone in the restriction. You know, so me take away phone.
Yeah,
when you want go print my application letter?
Today,
then,
you can give her phone when me talk to her.
Today. Hold on, let me call her.
Alright.
Hold on. Kayla,
Yes, mommy.
come here to me there.
Yeah.
Nikki dey on the phone.
Yeah. What happened?
She say she want you follow her go print some application letter.
Hello? Kayla.
Yeah.
Girl, like something. Come now, girl. Tell them mother Ray and come.
Alright.
Hi.
Yeah.
She said she'll be following. Can I follow her?
Hello, Nikki.
Yeah?
Me I go make she follow you. But make sure say application letter. I don't know turn hole you know.
Yeah,
Don't make
no.
me pit any dry and Kayla not reach back here.
No.
Alright.
Can go now, mommy?
Kayla. You just come on 5 phone you ready already?
Yeah, to what important.
So you hurry so.
No, me not hurry to application letter.
Alright, then I hear.
Yeah.
Now like it tight so you wear go on the road but
No, me not turn long.
I don't tell you say she a go so no go on and come back.
Yeah, me soon come.
No, make me pit any dry and you no come back.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, young girl these days, you no tell no parents all kind of sit down and ready to go about no business. And I watch you like a hawk, you're ready for your man yet. Take enough man for me and you're ready. Oh.
So what you trying to me for?
What?
Remember say your mother chicken, me no want she know say a different
No, she in her
operation.
house. You have to jump out a bush,
When
so.
when she heard that people watch girl. Anyways. Why?
The boy, yeah. Make sure say good looking, you know.
Girl.
Me not promise to say me I'm go the right away. Me I go get fit knowing first.
Yeah, girl, but
Right.
you
Then
know.
me tell my mother about it.
Anyways, see. Oh my, nice brown.
Bro,
Yes, girl, brown.
I hope I don't know if you see boy, yeah, can me go meet, you know.
Oh, I'm a best friend, girl. Why would I do that?
Oh, yeah, best friend, okay then.
Yeah, I'm nice. I'm nice, girl.
Well on, you know, Nikki. Because guess what? The man can nice to you and not nice to me, you know.
Girl, once me tell her say I'm nice. Remember say I'm my best friend, you know, girl.
Well, my mother always tell me, say, he put it in my head, he stick it in there, and push it in my head. So in my head, he say man don't nice at all. He say man not good. Cause he say man will just trick me and use me for what me have and dump me and left me. I mean, no one a man broke me
So
heart.
tell your mother really I tell them me sit next
Yes.
Now watch that, girl.
My mother say man no good. And my mother say she take enough man for me and her. So no need to take no man
Girl,
now.
no worry about that.
And you me go there him.
I'm my best friend.
Just
me
a
know
big
him, me know
if.
him, let me hand back, girl.
Just a big if say me and him all go there. I go be my first boyfriend now and he go use me and broke me heart. Where you go tell me say?
No, they gonna say the negativity are pretty right now. Me no
And my mother tell me them things the man say man not good.
Good.
I have to believe what my mother say.
Jesus
My mother
have
mean me
mercy.
well.
Listen to me. Me tell her that it's no hard for me, you know. Come on.
Sure.
Can't believe say tomorrow Valentine's Day and me have all of 10 girl. 10 woman me wanna have, you know. And tomorrow Valentine's. So how me I go give you all of them? Oh, yeah, can't manage.
TB, half an hour, so me tell her say if you wait. We are do your so.
Nikki, wow, me dey a bamboo tree and this woman, me no know if her head part up here so upstairs, up here so no good. See me under the bamboo tree, come and light fire. Catch the bamboo tree a fire like you want, but me up now. So what me fi do? Me no must remove, come up here so.
Alright, me. Anyways. This is Kayla. This is Tip.
That's
My best friend. What happened?
No, what fi happen, Nikki? What fi happen? No happen. Where's your friend this?
Yes. TV, this is Kayla. This is TV. Yeah. TV, I know Kayla from school days, right?
Right.
She's a very nice person, and as I explained to you before, this would be her first time dating a man. Because her parents strict. Her
Yes.
mother strict.
Strict.
Yes.
Like strictly.
Anyways, come on for that. She nice, as you can see her, nice black girl of shape and all of that, you know? Anyways, come on for that. As we said, she nice. And so anyway, Kayla, so this is Tibi now. He's my best friend. Best friend. But know him from Wapiki, from way back when. Remember me tell you?
Yeah.
As you can see, it's the same brown and nice. You know?
Yeah. It's nice.
But
it's true.
anyways, when we get to know each other, I'm gonna right over there, so we don't do nothing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Stay long, no come back, you know.
Boy, you're nice for you, know, cute, and then you're gonna make one perfect man for Kayla. One perfect man. One perfect man for me.
So, Kayla, tell me about yourself.
Well, you know, so there's not much about myself. I'm a very simple person, you know, so my name is Kayla already. My friend them call me KK sometimes. My favorite color blue. I'm 19, so tell me about yourself. Say me have nothing in common.
Me kind of look a bit older than you know. I round it off to the nearest 24. Yeah, me are 24 and me is a social media person, you know. Like TikTok, IG, you can find me on TikTok, IG, Snapchat, Facebook, Tibu Riches. When you type in Tibu Riches, I go find me still.
Yeah, flirt for the media a lot.
Yeah, me not go around the things still, you know. Me is a flirter, you know. And the girls, them love me, you know. When the girl them see me on TikTok, you know, what's if me the live, you know, them scream for me, you know, and then comment some good comment section. Say me handsome and thing, and my favorite color still is black, white, grey, blue.
So, are you married now?
No, girl, that's so quick. But long story cut short, TV, sorry for cut you. And it was nice to meet you. Me tip you for go home now.
You already know.
Cause me no want my mother catch up on what me a do and realize say we no gone when we say we go. So
But girl, how she gonna catch up? Remember, sister?
No man, you don't take so long for print one paper, Nikki. You don't take so long for print a
But
paper.
remember, say
Use
what
your
if
head.
people can the inner place and print.
Paper
Alright.
don't print now. You don't get every information
Alright,
you want.
alright. So tell me, meet you here.
Alright, Nikki.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah, Taylor.
Come on.
Me didn't even get fit done tell this girl about myself. She just cut down.
Girl, walk up. Cause me can't believe say no code. Eh? And I'm my mother lock me up in a house every day.
So
and me
you're
barely
going
come out and you there and don't know code.
So you're going so.
How come you come on tap chat to the little boy?
But what happened now? What happened?
Me say, me know him. Me know say he look familiar, no. Me know say he look familiar.
know him?
Fanny tell me say name TB Riches. That the man they all over the social media.
So we use the social media from look on and say, you're on a phone.
Sometimes my mother give me the phone and I watch TikTok. I woke up on my TikTok like my this woman. In her no man in her know about him.
Girl,
Me no want them the life things. Them the life and see me. Me go up on social media now with him and him a this people start this me. Me don't even can trace. Me no want them they bring down there in a life. Me dey on TikTok and me no want nobody bring me
say
down.
I like him.
Nope, it not going to work, my dear. I'm sorry, me did tell someone that try.
It's alright.
No, go work, my dear.
So, how we not like? In ways or stay?
No, me not like him ways, me no. Me not like him ways matter. Me see him on the internet. Me tell Stephanie say
But-
TB Riches. Me know say me see him on the internet.
But girl, most people who see on the internet, they act up on the internet, but they don't must behave so in person when they see them.
Me not run their risk
You
there.
can still give him a try, you know?
No, me give somebody else my try. Me give
Alright,
somebody else a
alright.
chance. It's every
Alright.
time me roll the dice, a zero him get.
But zero the panda.
Right, he now get none. Come on, me a come
But
me. Anyways.
anyways, not because you try with him, you know, and you know, go away you want. That don't mean say you know, fi go again, you know, girl.
No, me say me give somebody else my try. Me and him not go work out.
Alright.
Me and him not work.
Alright.
Girl, no worries. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Top right to front. Mommy, they can leave top right to front. Everything I have to say, I just come back. Come out of phone. Come out of phone. Come. Like, mommy, they on the veranda. In the veranda, I'm seeing you. Thank you. So me put myself out there and try. You can't say me never try, girl. You see me tell me mother lie. I come out the yard and me put myself out there. They
But
never
I know
work.
women cannot like him still in a way you turn him down, you know, cause he's such a very nice boy. Mother so lucky if you have him.
You that's all lucky if you have
I'm
him.
mistake, girl, mistake.
Oh,
And you
me
would
I
have
say
so
you have
lucky
your
if
man.
you have him, or any female at all would have loved him.
That's true.
But no worry yourself, all professional and secret. If him no work out for you, me will try work on somebody else for you.
Yeah, somebody else will work out, but me and him just need to work. Not too wrong with him, and good looking, handsome and everything,
I
but
understand, I understand.
and my
Cup of tea,
and
I
my cup of tea that.
I understand.
So, but I guess I end of the road for you, cause moment up on the veranda, and I don't want to come up there and one go start ask one back of argument. And when you tell like and two somebody did it in a work out, can you go there fumble when I go talk to setting. So just
Alright, yeah.
later.
We'll
But
call
if
you.
even if do mommy call your phone, can you not notice what anything is possible? If she call your phone and say nothing to you about like I choose her, so go tell her say anything I say that you work with.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
Say less.
Mommy,
Kayla,
yeah?
what?
Yeah.
That tell us not make the pit and dry before you come back. Look for the time.
No, mommy, we never really take long, man. Show what people did done there.
What if people live down there?
Yeah.
So application them where you can come back there.
No, mommy, not my application.
Have you Nikki them?
I think Nikki there, I never
Okay.
mind. She never follow her, you remember?
Me remember, but me just wonder because me see no talk right down there so whole long a chat. And for the time when you gone with she, me could believe so you almost reach in a yard and tap out a road. A chat for so long. I want you to chat about so do.
No, what how much mommy she just started telling me thanks to follow her because her rest her friend them never did want to go with her.
Oh,
Yes, and she said she have to rush go back home now because she has some things to deal with.
okay. But I really have nothing against her, you know. I don't really know her personality, but me think she a nice little girl. So I hope I want good friend you pick up and
Yeah.
a good influential friend you have.
Nikki, I want a good friend. You know her friend and tell mommy I'm my best friend. She nice.
Okay. You know say. Where you say the thing to myself say, I wonder if you tap down a road and chat to no boy down there. I have no boyfriend nowhere where me don't know about.
No, mommy, me not have no boyfriend, mommy. Me not have no boyfriend. Remember, say him say you not there with none, you know.
See, me tell you, if you not there with none, me never tell you say you know if you talk to none, or then I go see and like you and want to say something to you.
Me did see one and he did talk me and me and dad talk, but me and him not go work out.
I mean, not go work out. How you reach to work out?
No, she might talk to me never like his energy when that push off. He mommy he going too hype. Me not like he going too hype, and when me da watch TikTok what day, me see him on the social media this up on female. So me and him now go car. See that for about it.
Kayla, me not worry about it. Me just warn you about it. Remember, you can have friends. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, social friend.
Yeah.
So a social friendship, no intimacy business. Cause you're not ready for that yet. Cause you say, man, a sudden turn. You hear what you just said to me a while ago?
Yeah.
Okay, a man they name all of them, and they only want one thing. They only want one thing. They only want one dege thing.
Yes. Remember you tell me.
And when they get you, they no business about you. I know every one of them stays so you know, but 3/4 of them turn so.
Well, me not like that one, the mommy.
Well, me try to protect you for your best, and you will find out and learn about you later.
Yes.
But you don't know older than you.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Good.
So you cook?
Yes, me cook. Because how long your grandmother have to cook? You know, say water me drink me done long time and I wait for you and can't say they come back.
Actually, Nikki kind of slow, you know, so me da feel help her with a bit of the work, even though I follow, but so that's why.
I hope when you're ready to go more for your application letter, them and for your resume, you have one friend like that you can follow
Yeah,
you too.
sure follow me.
Okay. How are this?
My phone.
Okay, you notice in the middle when you come? You have to see it because I know you look to see it.
Yeah,
I want
see
to
it.
plug in the panel for one call if it a charge.
Oh.
Because I say when you come, me think you fear if you give you back your phone. Yes. Me think me punish you enough already. And me I warn you, when, if me give you back your phone, Kayla, promise me say, by 8 o'clock at night time, you're going to come off for your phone.
Yes, mommy, I promise you.
You can promise me that me give you back your phone.
Yes, I'm excited,
Me no
mommy.
want you chat to no man
No,
for your
mommy,
phone.
no, mommy, no.
I don't take no naked picture and sit there, me see some of them little young girl they do. And send them sitting gone, make them boy got it on internet and post and a laugh and chat about it.
No, I will never do that, mommy. I will never do them type of something.
Me really assure you from what day I realize say you've been a big girl. You've been a big girl so far so good and you're a grown up.
Yes.
Me like that. So me will give you back your phone, right?
Yes, yeah.
You're excited, you're
Yeah,
so you can't wait here.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, thank you, mommy.
Volunteer promising okay.
Yes, mommy.
Because you're mature enough, do not let me down.
I won't.
Alright, good.
Yes, now we're going to share my phone.
Yeah, but you say promises are compared to a fool?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. You know what that mean, right?
Yeah, mommy, know what I mean.
Alright, be a good girl.
Alright.
Go on inside, go eat your food. Girl pick me up, you know. I mean, no, so I want to strict mother, but me half is strict with me girl pick me and me overprotective too. But I have the right to be because me I want concerned mother. Yes, because if I left them up, you then go on with themselves, you have to draw them up and you have to do it for early. My granny would have say, now wait till it's too late for Benny Tree. Benny Tree from the young. That me I do. Me I walk on it. Me I look about it. Keep me I look about it.
Yes, babes, man, me I tell her say be, me can wash, me can cook, me can, I'm man like how me feel in your life. Me clean your house, me wash your jars, me wash your bra, me wash everything for you. Run where the workplace boy when I do not just want to cock up foot and cut in 10-24/7 you have to do all of the job. Me love what me hear, yeah, alright. Me soon call her back, my grandmother call me. Oh, you know say, all of my family member them from back up lines. They might tell me say yo wanna your family them pass off and if me not pass through, but not too like go out night and then something. But cut long story short, the girlfriend today that I call Simmers, which is your best friend, me kinda like her still, you know. Where she dey?
Anyways, now that alone, because that not going to work out.
How you know that?
See me that not going to work
How
out.
you know that?
The girl say use not her type because you chat about your little internet. You should go tell the girl that for.
That's why the girl tell you. So she not gonna make you know exactly say she like me. She gonna make you know this and that. Remember say more make you talk anything.
It don't work out.
You know some feel say a fight against me.
Oh, I mean, me not glad to never work out neither.
Cause why? Why you glad? And you know say me go cut you off, you know.
Wait, what I mean by?
Me go cut you
So you feel
off.
like me have something to do with it? Me not tell the girl nothing bad about you.
The girl might tell her that if you get her brain twisted, same no like me. But deep down inside of the girl,
Baby,
she like me.
it's not going to work out.
But you said the girl want a nice, handsome man, and me nice and me handsome, so me not see where they come off with you now. They don't see no like that. Which month about July?
Jesus,
You are one
Timmy,
damn
it
look
not
like.
gonna work out, so you gonna quarrel with me. Why you quarrel with me for me say just not gonna work out? You're deaf. Yeah, girl say you don't want your brother.
Nikki, me never hear she say that. Me never hear she say she not gonna work out. Here what you do? Send me the girl number. Let me see. For myself. I want to text her.
Alright. Me a go send your girl number.
Yeah man, I want to text her and ask her if it go work out. Cause me not hear when she said that, you know.
See it there. Can come like you're not here.
Alright, I feel her number this.
Yes.
A long time if you send
Don't,
me number.
Timmy, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Best,
Can come like you're not no shame. But come to you until I say, yo, a girl say it not going to work out.
Yeah,
You come like you live delusional. You delusional.
You don't talk.
Later.
We can call her. I'm if you text her.
Do what you want, though.
What me fi do?
Don't say that to me.
Get a new girl number in my BlackBerry. Ping, ping, ping. Me say me have a girl when me a look for about 5 years. She slim and she short. And she don't want ear.
Yeah, dude.
You know what?
I know say engine me there I pull down dog. Can't find no 14 for now.
When you told mechanic now.
I been mechanic dog. Mechanic. Yo, I'll just move for
Eh?
everything me dog.
Get to holiday. So what you want?
You know, I'm span over.
You want me to spot? Me already done spot. You don't know that, bro.
Tell him one no.
Which one?
14.
40.
You then nearby?
No, that go hard to find, you know.
You mean go out
That's
for
my
so,
toolkit, bro.
so you know just say then nearby?
So, me tell her that.
Alright, do I do that?
How you can find?
Alright.
I boy not top for a man.
How would that be over to me, young? No, sir. Hello. Timmy!
You know what I'm saying? Go and do a pretty miss.
Another year.
No, sir, you want girlfriend?
No, sir, my best friend.
I lie.
Yeah,
I'm my best friend too, you know?
I lie.
Yeah, for sure. So you
So him wanna do too much best friend?
No. But me even like him again. Me not like him like that as my best friend again. Me can't be fair.
No, I have him as my best friend already. Me can't have so much best friend.
Alright, cause a good thing. Cause me really want you as my best friend now. God knows, I see I like you, but I want y'all happy more than one best friend. Like I want best S friend.
You like me?
I want best friend.
You like yeah.
Like, you don't know, it's like, you tell me to turn around a while ago and I just woke up and want angel. Right now.
Stop me feel so special, no man.
No,
Stop me
I'm not special,
blush.
man. I say you're supposed to feel. Your boyfriend don't make you feel special.
Yeah,
Every day.
every day.
Me can't make you feel special every hour.
I lie anything.
Yeah, no, man.
But I can't give me no sweet talk for my left my man.
No, I won't talk, man. Nothing like that. I don't sweet talk. I just show you talk, you sweet, never talk to you. I couldn't get some contact here or so.
Okay. So, so quick, you want my contact? You didn't start talking to me a couple minutes. Could you want my contact?
You can't carry up on a date.
Well, your voice nice and you give me the lyrics and thing. I make me blush, but no, sir. Me have me help of somebody else.
True.
Yeah.
So you couldn't think about it.
No, I can't think about that. I don't have somebody in mind.
Alright, I'm not growing with things still. I just there, I'm there, I wait for my friend.
Yo, what's for that, brother?
I think you said in the day here.
No, I tell you anything. No, me tell you something there.
You said in the year.
For sure. God, no, I must be confused.
See
confused.
me?
I'm confused. Too many chat
Come
here.
down that year. Say me out here how long?
Brother, right now, I'm like a salt, you know, brother. Come up and smuddy me spot over there. 14, I say. 14. Boy, I see 12, I see 13, I see 11, bro. I see 10, I see... Bro, I can't see 14.
I go to lend somebody, because I lend somebody to me and a dog, and I can't get it back. But, yeah, so this is your best friend. Oh, yeah, they're best friend, I never tell me, bro. Boy, it's a girl and nice. And for some me and your friend, you know, so me single, you not even say, yo, see me best friend now. How you know what I mean, your best friendship?
Bro, I'm here, brother. You come here for your office fun and you come here for look best friend.
My best friend me a look. You say I have a man still, so left that all alone.
Anyways, let's go.
Yo, me a
It thing
jump,
now
doesn't it?
work. How make you make him get in me?
What kind of link that?
Eh?
Which link with who?
The girl said she don't want you. How make you make him get in her?
So how you know say the girl don't want me?
Yeah, but the girl said it's not going to work out.
And me say it going to work in.
Yo, no stop chatting a code no man. What kind of link that I want?
One girl,
Which girl?
my best friend.
And me your best friend want.
She don't want you.
Me text her last night and me she want.
You get answer from her.
Her phone dead.
Hey! What a big pill of this one. You have time to give yourself pill. Look here. One girl, right?
Yeah.
Black and nice. First time, she never had a man and she was 19.
Chow.
19. I'm just trying to say, I sit here up on my best friend and sit. They come meet up one and everything. This is idiot I got mentioned to you girl about how they put TikTok and girl the flirt and make the girl say, you're not interested.
Bro, you don't want that girl, bro. You want to that the girl, dog. You full of bump like you have age,
Tell me,
bro.
you know, say you have to stop this.
No,
thing.
no,
You have
but-
to stop. And that's why girls say, no, why you know, because you love disrespect.
No, but I'm a friend forward. You not
Stop
going to
disrespect
No, man,
females,
what's on, bro? You have to talk to man nice and that. Man.
No, but that the girl they look like you have age, bro. You
Stop.
not going to that
so,
woman,
so
bro.
you doing?
She, exactly. You just don't kill up yourself.
Bro, me do what?
Why?
So chatting. Tell me about her and her prettiness. She look like you.
Yes, but all things say she taller than me, but she's nice.
So me have to go tip in it then.
Yes.
But
I'm a good friend, me know her.
Tell him man the
Tell me what me
truth.
can make you get
Tell him man say I want badders. Tell him man the truth. I know I'm good girl, yeah.
But that's
Me
why
dey
I sing for the one that dream for
Me
the
didn't think I want good girl until
No,
shoot me see her in person.
Because I never have a man from she born, so I compare them the character.
How you know that?
Girl.
so chow.
Bro, me and your Paula, you not go on at the girl. Let go that. Go on,
Let me
go
say
on
for
here.
myself. Let me say for myself. Alright. Hello. You can't set up a man. Come here, I'll show you an idea. Right now, I'm engine middle to fix.
So how me I go find you? Because I don't have your number or nothing.
Wait, want my number? You give me number.
Either easily I can arrange somewhere where me can meet you with the girl.
Alright. Here. Me free up for you there.
So it's yeah man, go on.
Yo, look and see if a street spanner said with a chopper. Me free up for you there. So, I don't know I would part in normal meet up. I don't know if you know.
Alright, then I say, what all the meet up down at the bamboo tree down there, so?
Alright, we can do that then. Me I down there wait. So you're in the first and I see you today.
Yes.
Alright.
Now go try to see if we can get her out of the yard.
Alright.
Alright, check here.
Yeah man.
You see, you know.
Who you feel do that?
What do you know?
Who you feel give me woman?
Which woman? The
To me
girl said,
friend.
Jesus.
What you mean? What?
The girl said she don't
When
know.
she tell you that?
Tell me, the girl said it's not going to work out.
Oh, you know that?
Let go from me. Matter of fact, me should have dealt with.
Girl, you so who you don't have your man? Sure, come on, call me woman, yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's what I try to catch up on, you know. May have some balance in half do and I think me finish, but I never done. What?
No, me there, yes. Me still night out I think, but I think say me need to go look at work along. So I go look at work because I say my course and I do a heart. It's soon done and now, so I think I go look at work. I think about that.
Me that think about you know. What me I say maybe you're never really ready. Probably they'll wait until you finish completely before you decide. But nothing wrong if you put in an application or two somewhere in the meantime.
Yeah, me can't do that. I'm not too a son of yard and I do nothing. I can't help with the bills them.
That would be nice, lovely. I like how you think, positive. But you know, I suppose you start sending the application them and you get a call before your course finish.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what I do them with time. I don't know. Sometimes things just confusing.
Why can you soon finish wait little? I think you should have wait little.
Yeah, me can't do that. So I wait a little bit. I wait till me finish. Then I go look at job.
If you know say you go finish like next month 10, just put in 1-2 application. Where you feel like you work a Royal Town or you which one I hotel you work. It depends on where you feel like you work or where you're comfortable. You just submit 1 week before you leave or 2 weeks before you leave, so you know say time span, we carry span if you forget one phone call, you know go disrupt you or something. Yeah, one thing do you know with that?
Yeah.
Me like how you think positive, you know?
Yeah.
You're a young girl. You think positive and I like that about you. You keep up, you hold up your head high. And guess what? Now if you continue to do that.
Yeah,
Continue to do that so you get one good job. You come out with education, you get one good job. And you can start maintain yourself. You understand?
Yeah.
Right, now but I think about no boyfriend I want to go settle down with no man nowhere because man are no good sitting. Them are some drunk crow. You know what I just say? Yes, them are dogs, some of them. So you know, go get yourself involved with no man right now. And then when you look, you get pregnant and if you sit down a yard with people and man dogs out in business left them.
Oh, see them up on the veranda. Hi, what?
Morning. You see her coming up. You see you.
Tell her what? Good here.
How are you?
Right, I'm fine.
Where you come from, my son?
You know, sir, up here, I say me I come talk to Kayla about something.
No, where you talk to Kayla about now?
Then we get a phone call and say one of my family members is there at the hospital. So somebody to follow and go visit them because
In the hospital, you just get one phone call to someone family?
Yeah.
What happened to the person?
No, I just want to go down there go visit them. I want to friend fit man. They didn't want to tell me what happened.
So you don't want Kayla to follow you, go down there?
Yeah. You can't follow her, mommy.
That kind of sudden, you know, Kayla. That kind of sudden.
But an emergency, mommy. Look how she looking at my friend, man.
Just traumatized, right?
Alright, know yourself, my darling. You go make Kayla follow you.
Yeah.
And uno just go see if and come back.
Yeah.
Which hospital?
Savalama Hospital.
Southern Hospital. Alright, give Kayla a little bit of time if she get, you need to put on something.
Yeah, me I go stop by my house and put on one shirt.
You go, well, I'm not sure if then go, you have to put on something to cover up face.
We must can't get one shirt over there, mommy. Kind of emergency.
Shirt over there so you know no clothes in your house.
Jesus Christ, we just get one in a minute.
See that, mommy?
Emergency,
Mommy soon come here. Mommy soon come. Oh, God. Hurry up, girl.
Alright, look here.
Okay?
Oh, no, but hurry and get yourself in no problem for the road now.
Yeah, mommy.
Yes, make waste. Take on the time, go on and come back.
Yeah, mommy, emergency, mommy.
Cover up yourself, Kayla. Emergency. That's sudden door. But anyway, anything can happen. Accident or incident. Not choose what time or who. But I only hope sitting go so. May I give him the benefit of the doubt. Father God, cover them and then going out and then coming in for me, please.
Girl, walk up. Girl, you make me walk faster than you, girl. Chop it up, walk up. Can't be say family member in the hospital. Oh, God.
How guys are not rubbing down with hospital? So you got to hospital. Why is it not know cold? You don't know cold.
See, come up me account about family member in a hospital.
Girl, take time and talk a man. Me can't go meet. You feel like
Man.
Me not tell you. Me have to get your man. Come on.
You know, see a
The
brave
man
Nikki. Let me alone, me chat me mind. You know, see a very brave. Look, you come up me.
Yes, me don't know
Come
cold.
look for me mother until mother lie in front of her face.
Yeah, you say me don't
And you
know
don't even give me a
tell us me have to
hint.
get your man in cute. You see them. Tell you that way.
A man upon your mind, not upon mine.
Because me not go find any man. Me tell us me have to find any man. You know. Happy get to the man. Right here. Oh.
Okay, my man.
Hello.
Hello.
Kayla, this is
Davi.
That, we never get to know. I don't even know the man name. You can't come give me man Nikki, but you're not serious.
My
me
name is
never, me
Samir.
know I am, but me never get his name, girl.
So, hi Kayla, nice to meet you. I'm
Hi,
Davi.
nice to meet you, Davi.
I have a strong grip.
I can have a hand tied with you.
So you like where you see me down?
Yeah, you know, you look alright. But you can't come show money, you don't even
Me know the man, girl.
Where
Me
you know him
just forgot
from?
his name.
Where do you from?
Me know the man. Tell us I'm happy get to the man. You focus on that. Focus on the man.
Alright, so tell me look about yourself, Kayla.
Well, there's not much about me. You know, I'm Kayla and I'm 19.
Just that alone.
Yeah, my favorite color blue. I like to go shopping. I like go out.
Oh, well, that's very nice.
Tell
As
about yourself.
as Nikki tell her, my name is Davi, but yeah, that's basically it. I'm 20. Me work for myself. You know, I'm an engineer, so I build some and then I also write poetry. Like long walks.
So tell me what poetry now.
On poetry.
Tell me one.
Then I wanna go starlight, star bright, if I may, if I might. The girl in blue, I want her tonight.
That's nice one.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, I like him. Tell us how we get to that now.
Excuse yourself now. You talk to me. You're so nice. You're full of lyrics.
You don't know, I have something done. But, Nick,
Me, I can't give me number. Me get back my phone now. My mother did take my phone, but now me get it back.
your mother take your phone.
Mm-hmm.
She don't say you're 19.
Yeah, man, but my mother kind of strict with the man.
Leave off to mention nothing about it. Alright, I have to go take your number then. But, really and truly, I want to injure me there fix up now. Just because Nikki told me so she have one beautiful young lady when I want to meet and she never tell me a lie. So,
That's true.
just give Nikki a number to send me. Because I leave my phone now. Because I name Samson.
Alright.
She be sending me number, yeah?
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Bye, Davi.
Big up yourself.
Bye.
Yes, nice guy. Big up yourself.
Stop smile.
Tell us the girl. I just hate the one. That smart girl.
We're not there yet.
But I like him.
Yeah, me like him in
Yeah, feel butterflies from me. See her jump up a while ago. You know,
No, me just...
Hey, me see you. You clip the butterfly already.
No matter the night. Come, we go walk, go soon underneath the bench. Then they say, okay, tell my mother like, and you see how quick the man gone now, we have to go soon too much hours. You go tell her, you couldn't put it something else.
You could have just go around and go tell her, say, the person at the hospital for true. He never did so bad like what them attack on the phone.
No, mother go know see a lie. We have to go sit down for a while.
Alright. Oh God, girl, me tired. I'm so far. Come from, oh God, I want to come on and say this.
Send me the boy number now.
Girl, hold on, let's soon get the number.
Ma'am, get the number. You have your phone now with the right, so we're not doing anything.
You soon get the number, girl.
Why?
You ever get the number from Timmy?
You don't see there. You tell the boy you don't think we're them, Nikki. You yourself don't even have the boy number. You make the boy gone. Suppose we not see him back.
Yeah, worry about it. Girl, from me have Timmy, me must get the boy number.
Hope you not talk like a TV, you know.
No, sir. You know, just talk him up the road a while ago. He turn like a thing.
My
You know,
mother
they catch
said,
butterflies.
man are deceiving. He will trick me.
Yeah. Enough of what your mother say, because that don't make no sense.
You know, say, probably true, your mother not strict, you know. And that's the problem with you. My mother still not talk to me.
Kayla, you want to come down and say, sit down and rest for the minute, or you want to keep her talk? You don't meet the man already, and you don't want the man already. What more you want the number, you soon get the number. Me done and left and you saw I think me they go for the number.
Look like you want the man too, you know.
I want no man. Me alright. One person I have in mind. One and one only. Okay.
What's your problem now? Tell me come here.
But if you come good, you approach me
Come in where you come boat.
When I come board.
Where you come boat?
Yes, I know when I come board. I don't know when I come board.
Chub me. You come boat.
Give me your number now.
What's your number?
You see, I'm friend right there. So I name Davi Dan. Give me your number.
Where you want your number for?
Because tell us, me I go on a mission.
I like him.
Yeah, talk about no.
So what you want your number for?
Remember, say we go on the apps and race, so the girl want your
Come
number.
again.
You know, oh, but I give me the wrong number, you know, come and know you stay.
Sweet.
I'm going to give the girl the number. Yeah.
So, the operation, how him and the girl are record?
They're good like a goal, me say. I tell us, I have to find one man gear.
So, how them feel good and me like her first?
What do you mean you like her first?
Me like the girl first.
Timmy, you can't read between lines. You can't pick up rates, bro.
How long me left school? How me free read again? How me free read again and me left school good while now?
Timmy, I tell us, I'm not going to put between you and the girl. I'm going to find someone to give the girl. No, you still a come to... Come on, sit down and take the girl off your line.
Me no want to sit down, brother. I want to have him on my mind.
Sit down and talk to me. I tell him I have something to tell you.
What up? He like me now? She like me
Everything,
now?
Timmy, you can't stop talking about the girl for once.
Right, what you there say?
Sit down, me.
More
You have to sit down for me talk this.
Right, what you say now?
Honest. You can't read between lines, you can't pick up rates, you can't read body language and body signs.
But no lines on the definitely read between more
Timmy,
than
you
me.
know something like you from high school.
You like me for what?
ice cream there.
So, no, bro, you can't, Nikki, you have your man.
I don't have no man. I just tell that because I feel like I stay would have push out more effort to fight for me when I tell us I have one man.
Yeah.
But if you're going like you can't read sign.
You have your man and plus me your bestie.
No man, I make them my best friend come out feelings for you understand, but I just never know how to express and come tell up and face and out feelings.
Nikki, I kill a man, I don't want you. I'm gonna hurt you, bro. I don't want that.
Timmy, you're the nicest person in the world. Oh, you feel hurt me. We are talking about.
Wow, is that so true?
Yes.
No. Kayla have to tell me that, not you.
So you reject me now, your own best friend where you know for much years.
So how you figure Kayla to other man?
Take the girl off of your mind, bro. She gone. She said it's not going to work out. What is wrong?
I want to take her off of my mind and put her in my room. That one do.
Timmy, stop upsetting me. Every time I come around, you upset me.
I will say I go on. You like me?
Yes.
So like me too. So come on, go on back.
Go do what? Let go from me. I not just can't tell her what me feel. So you want to go do something so quick.
No, listen. Fast side better. The grape not ripe it. You say you like me from school days. The grape must ripe by now. Come
So
on.
how no? If me never can express me feelings, so you wouldn't want to do nothing.
Cause you take me, you know you have your man. You say you have your man.
Timmy, don't upset me. You know me to get for one nice person. Don't make me change your character.
Alright, don't change it. Come here, go change around here. So don't change it.
Timmy, let go from me. Yes,
Girl, come on.
don't call me. Can I see you? Let's come back.
So look like Friday Friday, so Kayla. Where you come from?
Me come from Sav.
So,
No,
I'm
me
telling you, so
change.
she cover up. What shirt do you say we go put on it?
Me give her it back. I never mind. Me give her it back. How long that she give? Me give her it back.
So how you people in family?
Oh, they're fine. It never bothers. She make it sound.
It means never doesn't make you sound. She say emergency and no rush out here. You
Yeah,
not even
but
ask me
when
for
we-
money or nothing. You
But
know,
when we reach down there, it never that bad. Then they see that look high blood pressure.
you have pressure?
They have high blood pressure. Mommy, me don't know they have high pressure.
Okay.
Pressure high in eye and then drop down. Me
Alright.
not too know about it something. Me never got school for that.
Alright, thank you. Alright, come.
Yeah, so me I come going because I'm tired. Me come from far,
I
man.
hope I stab you go for through. Down in the hospital, you say.
Yeah.
But if I not so go a sweet, you go sour you.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing me there. Sit down.
Alright.
Yeah, me alright. You?
Me alright, man, but I miss you.
Me miss her too. Me know say 1 week since me no see you. Me know me I talk for 1 week now. Me feel like say. Me feel like say me fall in love.
You fall in love.
Yeah. You not fall in love yet?
And if you tell about fall in love, but how you say you miss me and I'm no effort to see me. Me not feel like you miss me.
And I say me not make effort. Not just mommy just. You know, my mother just strict. When I get the time to come out.
Okay, like you're a big girl, not like you're 15 or 14, you know. You're a big 19-year-old. You must can talk to your mommy.
Soon talk to her, man.
You ever try to talk to her and tell her, say, hey, you're bigger now?
No, anytime the argument with man come up, she just shut it down and say, man of this, man of that. He never reach nowhere, so I don't really try.
Yeah, but man, you can't use one bad experience and judge every man. So make your mother hate man, so.
I don't know.
Kayla, me ask her, but not take you wrong way. Your mother a lesbian?
Hello?
You don't hear me?
No, I'm not here. Like the internet chip out a while ago.
Me I say if your mother a lesbian, who make you hate man, so?
That's stupid. You see, they ask me if mother not lesbian, how she get me?
Why, me I say so, who
No,
make you hate
sir.
man, so?
Me don't know.
Alright, me miss you though, man. You can't make some effort to see me today.
Alright, me I go see you today. So I was meeting me where you just spot, which we first met.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, when me go now?
Yeah, man, you can go on now.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Wait you now.
Alright.
Look who found this. Well, let me call you back there. Let me call you back. What, Michaela?
Monday, may I ask if I could go to Nikki?
Nikki again? So wait there. From what you may notice, every minute You and Nikki there on road. Every minute you have someone to go with Nikki. When I'm in a hospital, an internet cafe, where if you go look some application, to go look work, and then they all go to place. And once since Nikki becomes such a tight, close friend that's everywhere she go, you have to go behind her. You handbag?
No, my man, I'm back. Mommy, if you understand, say Nikki is my best friend, right? And first of all, she a female. And
first of all, she a female, you're right. You know, they are prison, but no, because me they warn you about this whole heap of boyfriend and man. You might think you're the under my roof, I go the other way. I hope I never have that in your intention, you know.
No, mommy. No, man. That's true, I tell you. Nikki did come up with the day just to follow her because she look about one job because she need one job and now. So I did follow her, that was one time. And then she come again, says emergency at the hospital. So I follow her because I'm a friend. Friend did a friend.
Alright.
So me I say I go down there now go play a game. Because she have one Xbox.
Game?
Yes.
A boy alone me know play Xbox.
No, mommy. Female play game, they have car game.
Okay. So
I have roadblocks.
with that said now, 1-on-1 make 2. Some people that say 1-on-1 make 11. But anyway, me dey go to school. So Nikki no get you the work all now yet?
No, mommy, like a tricky man, tricky.
Man again, tell about them. And the hospital down my family down hospital, how that go?
Then come up, mommy tell say he was never emergency. We are the younger sibling talk on the phone. You know they're young and naive. They say Nikki if you hurry up and come because of emergency. You never really emergency like that, mommy.
So what kind of excuse she have for you go come and road there today again?
No, mommy, no excuse. I'm going down there go play a game.
Okay. Alright. You know I have nothing else to do in the house. I done everything already. So you go play a game. What time now?
Mommy, not that late. I just 1 o'clock.
So what time you come back?
2 o'clock? I don't know.
If I 1 o'clock I go down there go play a game, Kelly, you can come back 2 o'clock. Anyway, go on but don't make night catch up on the road.
Alright. Thank you.
And I don't Nikki you say you go so I don't expect your figure.
Nikki, one and only Nikki, not 2, but 1. Bye.
One and only Nikki. One and only. Me say, if me ever find out and take me for one big go back like and take me band behind a cow, you will see me tell him already, you know. So I was sweet him most of the time, but you say this a time, I was sweet and the water growing in belly me. I watch we see how I go up next.
Wendy. Oh, see him there.
So give me a hug now. Give me a hug, man. You know. Awa.
Alright, man.
So give me a hug now.
No, man.
You just push me off, so. Awa.
No, man, I'm a mommy friend. I'm a mother friend that.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
You don't say nothing, man.
You don't know that you know me. So my mother's shipping come on to man, you know.
Say, man, you don't know about me now.
No, I don't. Me not tell my mother nothing boy at time.
Man, you're too worried, man.
Me feel like me to go get me yard.
Go yard for?
No, mother catch me with you.
Oh, look how long I see you.
So think go and tell your mother. You have to understand, you know.
Alright.
Me I'll go home.
Alright. Me have to go talk to your mother.
Yeah, bye-bye. What talk to my mother? My mother say man bad. Bye. Me text you.
Alright.
Later.
Why? Me I tell you. Good friend, you know. Me know the right thing me I do, you know. Cause my friend no granddaughter like that, so me have to tell him the right thing. Chelsea! Well, you know, a coloring book, you know. What go on?
Book?
There, man.
See you.
A long time I no see you too.
What do have for me yard, you know?
Jesus Christ.
Which breeze blow you over here?
Well, you know, so I want good breeze and I want bad breeze, but maybe to other people, I want bad breeze, but a good breeze, but...
What?
Wow, I want them to sit down because I'm kind of tired.
Oh, come in, man. Come.
Let me take off my shoes.
Sit down, man.
You hear me?
What go on?
Yeah, man. I feel a place now, you can't sit down.
It's alright. A long time I don't see you. I have to sit down again.
Well, but when I say you now, I like how you grow your daughter. I always tell her that.
Yes.
Although I don't see you how long, I still tell her something like how you grow your daughter. You're growing good. It's not a girl who like road. I like up on the road and like company.
I know.
But look, while I was walking and in my phone and every time, I hold on my head. You know who I see?
Who you see?
I see your daughter.
Who you see him?
Me see my one boy. And me I tell you say, I don't like them they far apart. One boy. Them they close.
What kind of boy?
Boy, like man boy, big man. No like big man, but boy. Him and him in I see him, yeah. The point when me I say them they close. Them they very close. The way then they close, me Anaconda can't go through, or breeze can't go through.
What you say?
So me just tell you say, talk to him and put him on him guard, cause me know how you grow him. Me know so you grow him good. So me no want him go down the road and can't come back up. Or me no want him go down the road and him come back up. He don't look 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 months.
How about the backside?
You understand what I say? So me just can't tell you because me respect you, me here come from. And how far me here come from, you know? How far me here come from, you know? You understand?
What if that girl
So,
feels saying can't take me for idiot though?
me nah say I do nothing, you know. Or me nah say I give away nothing. Or I think about to go do nothing. But me just say, then close. Breeze can't go through it. Anaconda 1, 2, and 3. None of them can go through it. So me just say, talk to him still, cause before he get out of control.
If you have to come on me and come tell me it's a hot sun here, then I can't nothing good.
You see how me get black?
I know nothing good.
You look who walk come up here. He gone, me bleaching gone down. Just talk to him, man. Nobody about celebrate. A girl pitney them, you know. Remember say, we used to, you know. Just talk to him, yeah? Yeah, man.
That's the heads up, right?
Eh?
Walk safe.
Alright,
We
thank
deal
you.
with it.
Dealt with it,
Right?
man. Cause remember say we are come from full, you know.
We go look both.
Alright.
Respect our manners.
Yeah, man. And when you talk to him, just talk to him, yeah? Look more.
Talk to him, you're right.
Yeah.
I know me I go talk to him. I am going to talk to her. Me talk to her already and me talk to her again. So now me have to go talk to her, like really talk to her. More look about it. What kind of girlfriend and boyfriend business can I could have gone and know about it? Me have to go down on the road. I want to slip and say. What? Kayla,
Mommy,
where you come from?
eh? Come on, Nikki, man.
No, where you are come from?
Tell her Nikki, me tell her, mommy.
Don't I wish Nikki. If I turn up here and tell me now, let me back to flatter ground.
Mommy,
As
then
big
Nikki,
as you
me
be.
come from?
You know, come from no damn Nikki.
Where me I come from?
Me hear some good source here they on road with man.
No.
Down a road, hug up with man. Tight like a your man where you live with at your yard.
No, mommy, I don't road with no man.
If you ever, me say, I will kick you down. Where you say? Where you they come from?
I come from home, me from.
Who want you to do out there?
Yeah. Me want my friend then.
Which friend? Friend. Which friend?
My boyfriend.
You have man? You got man? When me talk to you about boyfriend,
I don't have none.
me could have said not ready for no boyfriend yet, Kayla, because boyfriend are gonna mash up your future and wreck your life. All they want at one thing, and when they get it, then gone. They used to go girl pitney and fling them a bush.
Only 1 week we are talk for.
1 week, look how 1 week long. I could have even 1 month or 1 year. Me just know about you now when somebody have to come and me and come tell me say they stay with man. And you tell me say I want place they go Nikki every time they go Nikki. Me didn't know say not go no damn Nikki.
Me go Nikki, me a come back and see me and talk.
I just say that blasted giant shot girl can you go give your man.
No, Nikki is my friend. Nikki is my
Me
friend.
hear your friend, but he want man for himself too. So can you go give you one? That's why I always go. When they start do the things them, they feel like their friend can do it too. They want you match up so you and them kind of see them both.
Me like him, I want nice guy, mommy.
You like him, I want like one box across your face and twist your jaw on one side. But you like him. What the
Not
freak
that
you like
bad.
about him? And 1 week you know him. You don't know shit about him, but you like him. I like him.
You not that bad, mommy, you not that bad.
You not that bad. So you down the road with him, catch up.
Mommy, I just one hug.
He one hug. You know one hug could have lead to? You know what one hug can lead to?
But mommy, you not that bad. Me lock up in a house all my life. Me a big 19-year-old. And the first boyfriend me ever have. The first one.
First boyfriend you ever have.
Me a big girl now, mommy.
You're right. Me I did big girl to one thing. Me a big girl when me get pregnant with you. At a young tender age because me think the man when me go talk to, I did the best man in the world and me did love him too. And put all of me trust and faith in him. And when he breed me I run off, left me with you. Me can't find him all now. If in the top and bottom, God no know. Where your father there?
I don't know.
Good, you know no father, me your mother and your father. So I have to make sure say me look out for your best interest. But you know boy for 1 week and boy you like boy. You know don't boy you tell boy you like boy. Look if you catch up with boy and get pregnant. You get pregnant with him and he run off left you with big belly. Me have to sit down with you and Grand Pitney. I'm not ready for no damn Grand Pitney yet. You know see me look? Me a big woman and I'm not ready for no backside Grand Pitney yet. You hear me tell you?
Yeah.
You find yourself up here, then you're grounded. Me have to take back your phone. Nonsense. Look if you come keynote catch up all about with boy. Boy come get you pregnant and then you run off tell you say you're bad and no film Pitney. Eh? Nonsense. Go for your blasted yard, go find something to do in a damn house. Boy, you don't road with damn boy, boy, you meet boy one this. Yo! Yes, you! Are you Nicky? You, come here. Come here, so to
I'm
me.
going to the high good road on the tree, man.
Listen, Tapping Eyes. Shut up your mouth, me don't want to hear nothing.
I don't know.
Me don't want to hear nothing. You got me daughter, they give me daughter, man. Me have me good daughter up on me yard. And since you become friend with her and start, come over me yard, come visit. And I talk about you have people where drop down and are dead, hospital and way, hearted and cow fat. Kayla pick up flux on the pan roadside with you.
Me?
Then I could have
Your daughter big enough, girl. She must know what she wants. So make come like me, I forget the bad name.
You're a big enough girl too.
So
and you're a man.
So make me forget it.
You're a man, so if you say you can't give me daughter one.
Best friend alone me have. I don't have no man. Best friend alone me have.
Best friend, you want a best friend
friend
down.
alone me have. I don't
Best
know.
friend.
Me give that a man. Your daughter big enough. Me say if you see one man and you like the man, me can't tell him if you don't like
You
the
just see
man.
one man I like him man, so all of a
Me
sudden.
can't tell him if you don't like the man. If the man come to him and say rips me like her XYZ, me can't come between them.
Listen to yourself. You see, listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. You sound very experienced to me. Yes, but you know what go happen? Kayla, they pan grounding. As big as him be. And when I'm 50, me and mother now want me say goes. I mean, I like the kind of friendship when me see him have with you. Me not like the kind of best friend when call you.
You know,
Cause you're bad influence.
You feel left the girl alone. The
Shut
girl
up your
go
mouth.
get the experience
Are you mother or me mother? Shut
You
up.
need to get the girl
Who
the
crying first
experience
on them boy I go?
You can't make sure to come in
A
the
damn
house
bum.
every day. All the house in can
Go on, where you
breed
go?
All two grilly can breed
Yes, but are you
So
a-
if I
are
breed
you-
in there and
are you-
from, I don't mean.
Are you a bad influence? You.
me.
One bad apple spoil the
No,
whole
me.
damn bunch. My grandmother
God
that
hide him forever. Hide her forever.
Where you go?
Hide her
Sex and lick
forever.
down your blasted kinda ground. But damn a jail like our boy, your bumbo brush head where you got up. Me take me pity cagar with a game man. You fall far. Yeah. Take me for one big idiot like him take the band yesterday. Watch me and him.
Talk about thing the boy did, guys. You're not embarrassed.
Sam for girl. Where you in there do? Where you did phone? Give me this. I don't want to see up on no damn phone. Cause this phone I will make you back, make you sit down and chat to boy and feel say you reach prime now where you piece of bust a bun grass you can't come take me to Google bat and the pan road the man. Eh? You not have them a privilege there again. Get up and go wash up your plate them in the kitchen. And when you done put on some food, no one curry chicken with rice.
Yes.
And when you done you come clean your room and the bathroom want wash and me not do it for you again. You pass your place so this time me not take you serious. Me not take it light with you, me take it very serious.
What we going on this place, you know? Yo!
How that?
TV!
How that?
Yo!
Man, you beat down me door for brother.
I run outside.
How am I doing here? Where are you?
I'm there, why for it?
Yeah man, you're good like you're drunk man, where you drop so?
Bro, I stress out, dog.
How stress?
You can't hear from me, man.
Which woman?
No, Kayla.
What
hear
a
from him,
friend we have in Jesus. So Kayla did the woman?
Kayla,
Or are you woman?
been my woman, dog. You can't hear from him. I come to link it. You know where me can get to him.
You did tell us say Kayla is a badass. Me did put you on your guard.
What mean brothers?
Right now, this not too long, 5 minutes ago. You see Kayla in a John front seat. Foot on dashboard. You know how we get to Kayla today?
You see Kayla?
Kayla gone different location. You see all the one who named Nikki? That one there one badass too, you know.
You know your best friend.
Shh, take time talk. I'm badass bro. Cause she tell me she like me and where one time I want her to call link me can't get her. Be an excuse. Yeah bro.
That
man.
means you're not brothers then. That means I don't like you.
Bro, you Kayla no like her. If Kayla did like you, Kayla, you know have foot cock up on dashboard in a John car.
Man, you too like that. I fear that for myself. Where the kid? You know, where sir?
Me don't know any kid. If you call Kayla and get her today, me pay you.
So you give me Nicky number, I call to him then.
Which number you want?
Nicky number. Or tell much for Nicky live there, I'm go link him.
Nicky live down at White House down there, sir, before you reach up on the hilltop. You know hilltop and I just turn off in the lane. Yeah, man, he live down at White House.
Yo, you see Kayla in a car front seat.
You see Kayla in a car front for real, brother. I'm tell you, Kayla badass, bro. You shouldn't even go there, so, bro. I'm put it on your gun and see it there. Drop it, bro.
You don't go there yet, dad. That's what me too. You don't go there yet, you know.
Kayla is a client, bro. Leave a client, giant, bro.
Yo, me all link Nicky, dad.
Alright, do that.
Try like this again, like that's what I'm like by then, like you. Oh, let go on there.
Oh, go on.
There, I don't free.
That's fine, but the house now white. Get white.
That man wait up on my house, man, in see white road here, what happened?
TB, I tell much where you live. How about TB yard me I come from?
So where you walk and look for me from?
Me can't find a friend.
Kayla.
Feel from the last time me and him go out. I meet up a road, I don't hear about nothing from him. I don't even know if he reach home. And right now it's stressing me and mad me.
Well, I'm sorry to hear you know, but a whole heap of things going on since you did out the road us.
What do you mean?
You know, say, from the road, I don't know who come pinch Kayla mother and tell Kayla mother say Kayla and man down the road and lift up on a hug.
I want to them dirty people, yeah, man. So, I can't see people who's not allow you alone.
Me say, the woman I see me a pass. Attack me, oh yeah, you be give me that man, right. Me feel say, yo, low girl, the girl at 19, she begin up to make decision for herself. Lower, make she get explore. He thought, cause yo, you man head get mad, plug out. And you know, say for a long time, woman stay so from school days, you just strict on so. No.
God no, I feel weird, man. You come ruin the girl. So.
But in the ground, Kayla still grown. Tell Kayla say grounded and say I go take Kayla phone from me.
Then no, that's why me call him and I can't get him man car. Keep between me and you know, right now today I'll tell me say me feel cut me heart cut in a two, you know.
Where he
tell me say he see Kayla in a man in a John front seat in a car. And I say no. To the type of girl like me know Kayla as me not believe that.
You can't listen to the liar, Timmy. Timmy we didn't want Kayla and Kayla no want Timmy, but try and get rejected.
But he might tell me say if you only must see in a sitting to and you turn muckers or bad as or something to you.
Timmy never want me good on there to him. Him can't even go like him must show, he must see it, you know. And he must see it. Must snake on the grass.
No say me say nothing still, but
no business with Timmy alright, me and him two top the best friend too.
Nicky, me I beg you a favor. You can't follow me go talk to your mother. Yeah.
Your mother nearly broke me neck, so you want me to follow you, me can't go up the side, I only can show you where the gate they got, me can't pass it here.
Which one?
Me can't pass it here.
Alright, that, you know, but Nicky, me can't give up. Right now, I feel like I love my life.
I'm not going to tell her if you give up, because I love, you know, everybody experience love in one point in time. But me just can't go up, the mirror can show you.
Alright, I understand.
So, all you have to do is see, up more up there, so you're going to see one light post. Just go right there, so if you reach at the light post, you reach at the yard.
Alright. Alright, thanks.
I hope you get through everything alright, and you know that's peace for you.
Why, it's a chance bowling to take.
I mean, nowadays, why I love one dangerous something for you, know, can catch me one time to you know, but that's just life. Everybody have to experience it. Alright, I'm not making it now, I can't go down the road. Good luck. Come on, Marco.
Oh, yes, sir. We are cold. No, boy, yeah, look how long we not see you.
Go on in the yard.
What do you call it for? For?
Kayla,
Yeah, mommy.
Hello.
you see me here, Jaya?
No.
How would this?
Good evening.
Davi.
Who is Davi? I saw you come like say, me nasty, but I mean I drink water with wow.
The guy me that tell about.
Evening, miss.
A good evening or Evelyn.
A good evening, man.
What good about the evening? What you bought?
What do you mean?
What you bought? Where you come bought? Where you do my yard?
I kill and come and check for.
Kayla, I boy this where you hide and talk to? So where you find me yard,
Yeah,
Kayla?
no,
You said the message you do a bird?
No. Me no reach ya.
You look like me have to go start set fringing on my yard. Me have to go start set fringing on my yard because I don't understand how man find for me yard. You have man a come on my yard now, Kayla?
One more, me never invite you up here.
Miss, with all due respect, me can't interject just for something. Your daughter not nothing like that. I just, from the last time I see her, I don't hear nothing from her. So, me just there worry, me don't know if he, me even know if he alive, so me ask around the whole community.
Oh, you mean you know if he alive, then what could I do him?
Me tell him I don't know anything. So for the last couple of days, I just walk around and I try to figure out a way. So I just see her now and I ask her what happened because I just not get no response or nothing.
I make you feel so brave, so when I drink one cup of gin and feel good, so. But you're not easy. You come on me yard to come talk to my daughter.
Me just come to see if she alright.
After you do they hide all long and I gym switch you on the place, you never man enough to come, you come now.
Me never hide.
Okay, how then? Kayla, what you have to say? Say something before something do you. Because I must one bird you give one message you go give this man.
No man, not like that, miss. Not like that. Miss, we can't just even ask her cause for the last couple of days, we get to do some investigating and we get to find out say you know really allow Kayla to have partners or anything like that. And me understand, but me can't
You understand what all that concern you?
me can't ask her why. Me really care about your daughter and in fact so me can't even know if she alright at daytime. It really affect me.
You put down that drink, because I think that drinks are fool me. What you say?
Me just want to know a reason why. That's all I want to know. We help me see.
You want me
So-
to tell you the reason why in front of Kayla? Me did so in love with one boy one time. You see? And he mean the world to me. We were so in love. And me give him one chance in my life and me get pregnant with Kayla. And when he find out that I'm pregnant, he run away left me so I don't like man. Because me feels like they want to use me pretty like how me go through it with his father. Kayla don't have a father, me and his mother and his father because his father breed me and run away left me with the belly. So me have to turn up with Kayla and be his mother and his father because of that me look out for her best interest. I'm afraid to allow her to go get sexually active with a boy because me don't want no man abuse me fit me get enough abuse in me and her already.
I really understand that if Kayla didn't even tell me this, that's the reason why.
Me not know.
Sorry, I won't even talk to her so much, but miss, if me just to tell her the truth, and every man I see him, and the whole generation name change up. Might be Kayla father did different towards you, might be him just with that show, but me can't tell her the truth, me feeling genuine for her. 1 week straight since he on a phone, me I walk around the whole place. It's so hard to find her. So just the fact that me even see him right now, if I know how good me feel.
So how you go care for my daughter? Tell me, what kind of future plans you have for my daughter?
Why?
Because you reach a man, you're really brave.
Honestly, me you didn't know say that reach so far now. God no.
You're
But
really brave.
marriage is always my end goal because me is not a promiscuous person. Matter of fact, I just recently met Kayla, not even 3 weeks good, if even so long. And I really do care for your daughter. I really do care for your daughter. I not ask of change.
So they say all the while.
That's true.
And when time problem come, everybody start run.
That's true. But you can't hide her from the world forever.
Me can't hide her for you forever, but me can't hide her from you.
It's true.
Okay.
That's true. But miss, all me I beg, I just want a chance to prove to you. Just to prove to you, say.
You say your face light up. How you feel about this man?
Feel good about you.
You like him?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you feel like say me fit turn up your side as an adult, as a parent, as a caring parent, I listen to it to one and say no go with myself. Why two I don't think me should do?
Okay.
What kind of decision you don't think me should make? Right yes or right now?
We can't tell one story before you make no decision.
Go on with the story as long as it's not long.
Nah, take long. It's like how you tell me a story how Kayla grew up without a father. Suppose me tell us I grew up without a mother.
Oh, well.
As me born, my mother carried me in a bus to go and drop on my father doorstep. I don't know nobody but him for the whole of my life. So my father he have it hard too. So I like it complete reverse of your story. I mean I tell you this for you have no pity, but I just show you. Say me understand how difficult it is. Because me have to see, see my father just grow.
Because when I tell me I wonder if a sympathy I look, I mean, I got none of that save up, put down, no way to give away.
Nothing like that. But all me I beg is just a chance.
Anyway, you see, because you're brave enough to come on my yard, come turn up like a man and talk to me, cause you look like you think I'm me and you in a business. You find me and turn up brave and bold. You're prim and proper to talk to me. Me go give you one, let me see. Me go give you one couple of minutes to come and sit down. Me go invite you inside. Me go make you come and sit down. And me not going to be hard or harsh with you. Because really actually what happened to me in the past was the past. And me have to live up to my responsibility. And me done go through it with my daughter and she live and pass the worst. So, me are going to invite you to sit in, probably get some tea or I don't know, we are going to fix dinner. Me and Kayla go fix dinner. Me and I we have a conversation about you differently, but me need to get to know you.
Alright,
So you can come inside.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Have a seat.
Alright.
I need to get to know you because if you're so in love with my daughter, I want to know about your background and I want to know about you.
Alright.
Okay, until then, we will see me up pass the test.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
Good, Kayla?
Thanks for just the chance today.
Thank you, Mama.
You give back your damn phone.
Yes.
You enjoy like our. Anyway, you sit down with the young man. You know you're not free to come inside. You look for something to eat.
Sit down.
Alright, thank you.
Because one day, it go happen. So, if I not today or yesterday, I don't know. Sooner rather than later. Tell me see about it.
Yeah.
Me no promise,
Yeah.
but not think about it.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Oh, you're fine, Mama.
We're only for investigation. But your mother not as bad as how people make it look.
No, my mother no bad. She just a light man.
We work on it, man.
Yes. Maybe I over miss you. Oh, God.
Alright, see, I make it the NI movie. I hope you enjoy. I hope there's a lesson, say. I hope there's a lesson. What you like? Here I go on. As I say, people jump back to your old movie if you not watch it already. Price of Power. In the meantime, in between time, you just like up thing them, comment. You know your favorite part. If you're always a watcher and never check in, just let me know see you there. If I even represent with the country where you're from, to show your flag emoji or something. But yeah, we there do you said thing. We are doing the right thing. So alright, just big up on yourself. If you feel like contact us, me and put your number right here. So new actress needed or anything that too.